In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to post to your site without actually having to open up browsers and log in, etc. And when you download this software called BlogDesk, it won't come with any of these in here. These are actually my sites already, but I'm going to add a new one and show you how to do it. First thing we've got to do is go into our site, and we need to go down to the settings and go to writing. Just make sure that this here, XML RPC, is ticked, and that will enable us then to connect using our blog desk. And so here's our blog, part of our WordPress site, and here's our last post. So we're going to add a post to that and show you how easy it is to do. So the first thing we have to do is go to File, Manage Blogs, and create a new one. And we're going to call it M Club. Go next, and the address is http the IM Club. Next, we want to choose what it is. It's a WordPress. It's already going to pick up that XML PC for us, so we go next, and we just put in our login. Now the login is what you use to log in for your WordPress, not your cPanel login, your WordPress login. So now we just got to get the blog ID, and you can see it was successful. And then it's just going to allow us to get all the categories that we've got so far. And go next. Just test uploading an image. And that worked fine too. And it's all finished. We can now close that. And here's the IM Club here. And if we tick that, you can see it's brought in all our categories that we post into. So basically now what I've done is I've just put in a title, I put in some text, and we can highlight the text just like any other program. And as you can see, we have some information here we can use to add graphics. Is exactly the same. So let's just go pick the graphic. Here it is here, 300 by 300. Brings it up, we can make it big, medium, etc. We can crop it, rotate it, show borders, colors, etc. Line it in the text, we'll put it in the middle and go OK. And we want it down here, so we can just move it, change this text, make it go to the left. And so here it is. Can move that across. Just highlight on this, down, and then linking is exactly the same. So we can just download it here. Add the link, the same as we would in our WordPress. We can add a tag. We'll make it open in a new window and go OK. We could make this bold and so forth. We could center that. And so there's our post. We can also change the date and time, and we can add trackbacks. So that's all the information. And now the beauty of it is it also has a great feature of being able to do other things with graphics. So let's just find a small graphic and show you what I mean quickly. So let's use this one. Now the beauty of it is we can use a shadow. We can use an instant image. We can also use a paper tear or put a border around it. And the paper tear just can make it look a little bit nicer. And the instant image can also add a bit of functionality to it. So once again, we could go and make it small so there it would fit nicely, and just go OK. So as you can see then, there are lots of extra things we can do. Now once we've had it, we just choose where we want that information to be stored. So we're going to put it in graphics under the IM Club. Now I could actually post it to all my other sites if I wanted to. So now it's just a matter of clicking on the upload, and it says, do we want to upload? We go yes. As you can see, it's uploading the file. Now if we go to our site, and that was the last post, April 18th, let's just do a refresh. And there's our new post, already formatted nicely and placed in our blog on our site. Now just a few other things with BlogDesk. We can actually go back and have a look at that post, pick the posts that we just did, which was the IM Club, show those posts. It will then download all the posts and we can actually go and edit them in here as well. We can go and manage our blogs, change all the information, etc. We also have some normal functions. We can generate tags, etc. for the post. So there's a really quite a wide range of ways that you can use BlogDesk. And as you can see, it was very simple. The beauty of it is you can write it in here and work on it for a little while before you actually post it. You can play around with the graphics and everything. That's how we use BlogDesk to post to our WordPress site without having to log in.